had a good weekend. Okay, this week in our book, we studied about bodily signals. And this is when our body is giving us a message. It's telling us something. So for example, when we're tired, we will yawn. Or when we are nervous, maybe we will sweat or our body will shake. Okay? So we also learned about one more body signal, and that was hiccups. I want to know, for my video question this week, I want to know, when do you hiccup? What time? When do you hiccup? And one more thing, how do you stop your hiccups? So when you have hiccups, what do you do to stop your hiccups? Okay, pretty easy this week. So when do you hiccup and how do you stop them? Okay, so send me your video messages and hope you have a good week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.